Hi YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you today how I do my daily skincare routine, so keep watching and stay tuned. So the soap that I use every day is by TS.SKINCO, and it is the TUMERIC Hyperpigmentation soap. And the reason why I love this soap so much is because it cleans my skin really good without the over drying. It actually still leaves your skin moisturized after you finish using it. Jumping right into this video, I'm going to start by wetting my face with a damp clean rag. And once I finish damping my face, I'm going to take the soap, lather it in between my hands, and begin to scrub. Now I'm going to take my rag once again and begin to wipe away all of the soap. I didn't want to just splash my face in the sink because I didn't want my lashes to come off. So I'm just going to take my rag and wipe all the soap and residue away. So usually I will use my organic coconut oil, and I will probably do like 4 dots on my face and rub it all in. But today I'm going to go with my cocoa butter stick, which I purchased from my local beauty supply hair store. And I'm just going to rub that all over my face and rub it in with my hands. So this basically completes my daily routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, simple video, and I will be sure to list all the things that I use down in my description box. Thank you. Till next time.